It's got a big 111 cubic inch air-cooled Thunderstroke motor. Yep. I better step away from this thing. 2013 Softail Slim. Let's see, how do I get this thing to start? Oh. Yeah.
Harley-Davidson Softail Slim is equipped with a 103 twin cam. This bike weighs just under 700 pounds, but its 103 cubic inch twin cam makes up for all that weight by making over 100 pound-feet of torque. The Indian Chief is equipped with an air-cooled 111 cubic inch Thunderstroke V-twin engine. This Thunderstroke V-twin makes around 80 horsepower and over 110 pound-feet of torque. The Indian you see here is the last generation Chief, so the weight comes in around 800 pounds.
Okay.
The Harley-Davidson Softail Slim and the Indian Chief are very similar motorcycles, but the Indian Chief weighs almost 100 pounds more than the Softail Slim. The Indian Chief has a larger engine, and although they make similar horsepower, the Indian Chief makes more torque. The Harley-Davidson 103 twin cam felt much more responsive in the lower RPMs, but the Indian Chief 111 cubic inch Thunderstroke had a much stronger mid-range in my opinion. The clutch feel was also much lighter, making it a little easier to shift.